Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. So first of all, I want congratulations to all Shiba Inu holders because after a long time, Shiba Inu again start pumping, guys. After a long time, and I believe, guys, that very soon Shiba Inu continue this pump for a long time, guys. It's a long-term project of Shiba Inu token, guys. As you can see here, guys, if we talk about the right now price of Shiba Inu, so 0.000029 USD dollar. That is the right now price of Shiba Inu. And guys, furthermore, in the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, these all changes. So according to Shiba Inu is going positive in the market, guys. This means that Shiba is moving upward in the market. And as you know about Shiba Inu, that in October the price of Shiba Inu start pumping. So guys, as I also predicted Shiba Inu in my previous videos, also I'm doing a live stream about Shiba Inu token on my channel. So I predicted Shiba Inu that Shiba will continue this pump to the last of October, guys. To the last of this month, Shiba Inu will continue pumping, guys. So that's why, guys, be alert, and it's a profit time, guys. You know what? After 4 months, Shiba Inu start positive changes. So this is why I recommend that, guys, never decide to sell, just hold to the last of October. You will get a huge amount of profit, guys. Huge amount of profit, guys. I'm sure about that. Anyways, we can't see about the future. Maybe the price dump, but technical analysis price prediction update tell us that the huge pump is coming soon, guys. Anyways, what's your prediction? What's your opinion about Shiba Inu? Also share in the comment box. And guys, don't forget to subscribe channel.